In this video, I'll show you how to export contacts from Salesforce CRM step by step. To begin, navigate to salesforce.com and make sure you're logged in to your Salesforce account. Once you're signed in, go to the Reports tab where you can access all of your Salesforce reports. Next, open the Contacts report. This report contains the contact records that you want to export. After opening the report, locate the inverted triangle next to the Edit icon in the top right corner and click on it to open the Additional Options menu. From the drop-down menu, select Export. You'll now be asked to choose your preferred export format. Select either Formatted Export if you want to keep the report formatting, or Details Only Export if you only need the contact data. Finally, click Export, and Salesforce will generate and download your contacts report based on the export option you selected. And that's how you can export contacts from Salesforce CRM.